Sure. I actually think that the Hasidic yeshivas today, religious schools today, are much closer to what the Kheder was like in Europe than what I grew up with, or even what anybody kind of my age grew up with. We weren't beaten too often. There was a little bit of hitting that went on, but it wasn't like a daily occurrence. Hasidim was certainly Americanizing in some form. There was a sense at that time that secular education was at least a little bit important. From the time I was in 5th grade, we had school 6 days a week and religious studies from 9 to 3. But then we had secular studies from 3 to 6. But at least they made an attempt to get real teachers and to try to teach us real subjects. I think that's not true anymore.